Yo, what the fuck? Oh man. No? Jesus Christ.
Are you making content, Rick?
I'm making content.
God damn it. Rick is making content.
Oh shit! I'm pulling over. All right, you all right, man?
Yeah.
We're okay. We're
Figure it out.
We'll figure it out. Thank you.
Fuck.
All right, man.
In that corner, I fucking grabbed a full fistful of fucking throttle and not my brake. I don't know. Like I literally grabbed throttle and was like, oh, that's not right, and then just kept grabbing it. Sorry, I got it on video.
Get to the water. Oh, okay. Y'all are too much, Brad. What? Should have got an orange one. I'll let you know. See you guys later. I love you guys so much.